Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wondered how to add and use text blocks in Squarespace 7.1's classic editor, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently create, style, and edit text blocks on your site, making your pages look polished and professional without any hassle. Let's jump right in, and I'll walk you through each step, sharing some tips along the way. First things first, let's head over to Squarespace. Open up your web browser, log into your Squarespace account, and navigate to the site you want to edit. It might sound simple, but starting from the right spot saves so much time in the long run. Once you're on your site dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is your creative canvas, and it's where all your content lives. Alright, now it's time to make some changes. Look for the Edit button on the page you want to update. It's usually at the top of your preview window. Go ahead and click Edit. This will transform your live page into an editable mode, unlocking all sorts of content options. If you're ever unsure, just remember, you won't actually change anything for your visitors until you hit Save, so feel free to explore and experiment. Next up, we're going to add a block. In Squarespace, everything is made up of blocks. These are like building bricks for your website. Hover over the section where you want your text to appear, and you'll notice an Add Block button floating nearby. Click on that. Now, you'll see a menu pop up with lots of different block options: images, videos, code, and, of course, text. Go ahead and select Text Block from the list. The text block is probably one of the most versatile and frequently used tools on Squarespace. It's where you'll drop all your main written content, whether it's a headline, a paragraph, or a special announcement. Once you add the text block, it'll appear right where you clicked, ready to be customized. Let's start editing. Click inside your new text block and you'll see a little editing toolbar pop up. To make your text stand out, I recommend using the heading styles, especially H3, which makes your text noticeably larger and bolder without overwhelming the page. Just highlight your text, open the dropdown, and select H3. This is great for section titles, callouts, or anything you want your visitors to spot at a glance. Beyond that, you have bold and italic options right in the toolbar. Click B to make your text thicker and more prominent, or I to give it a little extra emphasis or a conversational tone. For example, if you're announcing a sale, you might bold key details, or if you want to pepper in a stylish touch, italics can be subtle but effective. Now type whatever you'd like into the block. Don't worry if your wording isn't perfect right away. You can always come back and tweak it. Squarespace is designed for easy edits. Maybe start with a welcoming note, a section heading, or even a short story. The possibilities are endless and you're in full control. And that's it. You've just added a customized text block to your Squarespace site using the classic editor. Take a moment to preview your changes. And when you're satisfied, don't forget to hit Save. This will publish your updates for everyone to see. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about Squarespace or website editing, drop a comment below. I love helping you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.